Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for our daily message. Let's go ahead and first we're going to read it. I'll read first. September 21st, 2020. Dear boys and girls, it is so cool at night. I wanted to stay in bed this morning. Did you? Love, Miss Phrase. You know, as fall is coming on, we're going to start noticing the daytime temperatures are not as hot as they were, and the nighttime temps have been very cold. It's definitely sweater weather in the evenings. You might have to put on a sweatshirt or a jacket. Fall is definitely coming on. That doesn't mean that we can't have some warm days, but right now we're getting to that point where we're going to have to start dressing warmer. All right, let's echo now. I read, then I'll point and you read. September 21st, 2020. September 21st, 2020. Dear boys and girls. Dear boys and girls. It is so cool at night. It is so cool at night. I wanted to stay in bed this morning. I wanted to stay in bed this morning. Did you? Did you? Love, Miss Phrase. Love, Miss Phrase. All right, now let's count down and read together. Oops, it's slipping down. Let me fix it real quick. I'm going to slide it over so my clips will hold it better. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. September 21st, 2020. Dear boys and girls, it is so cool at night. I wanted to stay in bed this morning. Did you? Love, Miss Phrase. Today I thought we could start by counting the letters. When you are doing any kind of writing, the letters are your first building blocks. They go together to make words. So let's go ahead and count all of these letters. Count along with me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So 88 letters. If I have 80, well, let's see, I made a mistake there. 88 letters, and I had one less, how many would I have if I took one away? Well, 1 less than 8 is 7. So I would have 87. If there was one more letter in my message, how many would I have? I would have 80. What's one more than 8? 9. All right. So we put letters together to make words. Between the letters and the words, you have spaghetti spaces. It's like a stick of spaghetti between those. They're very small spaces. But we put a meatball space, a bigger space, between the words when we write. Let's go ahead and see how many words we have. We're going to do a word, a space first. A word, a space, 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 word, a space, a 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 word, a space. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to count those words. And see if I have a better blue marker. There it is. This guy needs to go. Let's count the words. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have 24 words. So if I had one less word, I took one away, how many would I have? Think about that. How many would be one less? Well, what's one less than 4? It's 3. So I would have 23 words. Now what if I had one more? What's one more than 4? 5. 23, 24, 25. When you count, one less is the number that comes before the one you have, and one more is the number that comes after. All right, so something new today. 24 words and 88 letters. Which number is the bigger number? Which one is more? Well, we know that when we look at and compare two numbers, and they're both with 2 digits. See how the number is made from putting 2 little numbers together? That's called a 2-digit number. This has 1, 2 digits. This has 1, 2 digits. When you're comparing those numbers and they both have 2 digits, you look at the first number. Which one's more? 8 is more than 2. So I could actually write this as 24. This symbol means less than. 24 is less than 88. Less than. When you use this symbol, you make it point at the little number. It's kind of like it's an alligator. And the mouth of the alligator is going to go towards eating the bigger number because he's a greedy alligator. He wants to eat the big number. Now, if I wrote it with the numbers in the opposite places, and I put 88 here, and 24 here, it would turn. So you would have the mouth facing the 88 this way. And pointing that way. And that is 88 is more than 24. So 24 is less than 88. 88 is more than 24. See how they're pointing the opposite directions? All right. Let's take a look at the sentences today. We know sentences begin with an uppercase letter. There's one. There's one. And there's one. The This one goes all the way to its punctuation mark, and I have an exclamation point. When I read that, I said, "It is so cool at night." I said it with an excited voice. An exclamation point at the end of a sentence means you're using an excited voice when you're reading. So when you read books or when you're writing, there will be an exclamation point, and when you read it, you make your voice sound excited or angry or any of those emotion-filled kind of feelings that you might have. I wanted to stay in bed this morning. I'm telling you something there. So I used a period. On telling sentences, we use a period. And then I have this short little 2-word sentence, did you? And I'm asking you a question. Sentences with questions have a question mark on the end. A question is a sentence that you answer. It's something you have to answer. Did you? Now, the next thing is finding our popcorn words. So help me find those. Tell me to stop when I get to them. Did you say stop for and? A-N-D, and. Oh, it, I-T, it. Is, I-S. Did you catch that? Are you catching these? Keep your eyes on the paper. Ah, there's one of those 1-letter words that we found out we were learning. Did you catch 2? Ah, I-N-N. Y-O-U-U. Did you catch all of them? Don't let me miss them. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 popcorn words in our message today. All right, now let's read them. Say it with me. And it is I to N U. Great job, boys and girls. I will see you later.